Okay, this is going to be an after the fact video on how to remove your thermostat and replace it. I bought this thermostat at AutoZone and it was, I believe, $9. And then you have to also buy this washer, which is I think $5 or $6. But you do need both of them. Now the first thing you'll have to do is remove these. You're going to have to remove this plate. So you need to undo these three screws. There's one here. You can see the other one is right there. So there's one there, one here, and then there's one right down here, which is on top of where your thermostat is. And to do that, you're going to use and you'll want to have an extension. But you'll use a 5/16 socket to remove these three, and then on this one, then you need to remove these two bolts down here, and then you can pull this pipe back, and you'll have access to the thermostat. One problem I had is you want to make sure you remove the gasket goes on top of the thermostat, so you want to remove that gasket because it's really difficult to pull out the thermostat, or at least it was hard for me. Maybe it won't be for you, but I had to remove the gasket first, and then the thermostat came out really easy. So again, you have the thermostat. So this is how you want to insert it, like this, and then put your gasket on top of your thermostat. Okay. And to undo those two bolts, it was a 10 millimeter. It's kind of weird that it's different, but that was a 10 millimeter to remove the two bolts to give you access to the thermostat. But that's really all you need to do. It's really quite simple, and it cost me under $20 to do this. I'm sure at a shop it would be probably around $100. So thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you'll subscribe. Again, it's Big Al Repairs. Have a great day. Thank you.